All right, greetings, my brothers and sisters in the beautiful country of Egypt. This is your upline and Chief Padman Sinatiraja recording this message for you in Egypt from the stadium of VCon Malaysia 2013 Rhythm Nation. And soon we'll be coming to your country for VCon, which is going to be unbelievable. Now I've come to understand that Egypt now has grown into the networking country of the world, that there are so many other network marketing companies coming into Egypt, and most of them not exactly legitimate, and most of them are plainly a scam. All right, guys, wake up and smell the Shai Nana. Okay, you belong to QNet. QNet today is 15 years old. We got over 9 million IRs all over the planet. We are the fastest growing network marketing company in the industry of network marketing. And we have truly raised the bar higher with regards to every aspect. We have created the most US dollar millionaires. All right? We have offices in most of the countries around the world. And of course, we have the most important thing. We have Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck as our founders. Now, your downlines are going to be exposed to this company. They're going to hear so many things happening in Egypt. They're going to hear about this company shutting down, that company being investigated, this company called illegal. So what? That's good for you. Because then people will start to raise their belief that the only company that is going to be in Egypt for long term, for years to come, is QNet and no other company. And you have to have that belief. Now, please, keep close to your network. Keep communicating aggressively with your network. Keep educating your network. What is a real network marketing company like QNet, and what are the scams and the pyramiding companies like all the other companies in Egypt. Now, every time I hear a story in any market about a company coming, stealing people from QNet and then shutting down, I smile. Why? Because it proves what Dato Sri told me 15 years ago, that QNet is here to stay. That QNet is going to become the biggest network marketing company the industry has ever seen. And we are going to stay in Egypt. We're going to build Egypt. We're going to create the largest number of US dollar millionaires in the beautiful country in Egypt. And you watching this video have the best opportunity to be one of them. So remember this. Stop listening to the world, and the world will start listening to you. Focus on your network. Focus on positive message going down to your network. Focus on power of association, increasing the number of events, keeping your network closer to you so that they know, all right, that they belong to the right company. So all I can tell you is this. I signed up 15 years ago and I'm still here. All right? There are millions of people who signed up and they're still here. And we are just 15 years old. We are still a baby. And we are especially a baby in Egypt. And we are going to grow big. We're going to grow strong. We are going to be the number one. We are right now. And we're going to stay the number one network marketing company in Egypt. And you will have to choose to be part of it. So to all my brothers, sisters in Egypt, firstly, I'm going to miss you at V Malaysia 2013. But I'm equally so excited to come to Egypt to run VCon there. Now, some of your uplines are here in service. So while they are here serving the people coming to Malaysia, serving by my side, all right, I want you to focus on your network. Raise the bar higher. Make sure presentations are happening everywhere. Focus on getting more BV. Focus on getting your checks higher. Focus on effective communication and power of association. All right? And I want to see the largest number of US dollar millionaires in QNet from Egypt. So guys, I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you very soon in Cairo, the V. Okay?